Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Pride Audio USA. Today we have the Pride Solo 140. If you want a loud and clean sound for your car without having to get a big amplifier, this is maybe exactly what you need. Especially for the pickup trucks and the headliners, this is actually a perfect setup. Also, I just want to mention this is not a factory replacement speaker. This is actually a 6.5-inch loudspeaker that's going to play clear sound and it's going to cut through your system. Let's take a look and see how it actually sounds.
Lonely days on fire, you're not by my side.
So now let's take a closer look at the speaker here. You get a solid basket here. You also get a really strong motor structure. And most of all, a speaker that's been designed for high output. Remember everyone, bigger structure means bigger output. Simple as that. This is a mid-range speaker. It's going to give you the clarity, the projection, and it's going to give you that loudness that you're looking for without breaking the bank. Also, one of the best advantages of having this speaker is the over modular design. That means that if something happens at any time, you're not replacing the whole speaker. All you need to do is buy one of our assembly kits and you can literally reassemble the entire speaker on the spot right away, nice and easy. Also, for you pickup truck guys, this speaker is a sweet spot for those headliners. These things are lightweight, they're very loud, they're efficient, and they're perfect for the headliners in pickup trucks. Now keep in mind, if you're looking to do like a competition build, you're gonna wanna have something a little bit bigger. So we have here the Pride Solo 300. That's a little bit bigger, stronger if you're looking to get into those competition builds. Now we're asking everyone to drop a comment down below. We'd like to do a comparison of this speaker and any other speaker out there. Let us know which one you'd like. Also, in the description down below, you're going to find a promo code. Take that promo code, go to our website, pride.audio, and you're going to get some special offers. Again, everyone, this is the Pride Solo 140. We'll see you in the next one.